Hello everyone, today we're showcasing the Showave women's tall insulated rubber rain boots, designed to keep your feet dry and warm with 100% waterproof construction and premium sealed rubber. These boots feature a full neoprene inner lining that offers comfort, flexibility, and excellent insulation against cold and wet weather. The upgraded one-piece molded outsole is lightweight, wear-resistant, and provides superior traction on slippery and muddy surfaces. Inside, a soft footbed system reduces shock and muscle fatigue, while a breathable mesh liner wicks away moisture for all-day comfort. Perfect for gardening, fishing, farming, or any outdoor adventure, these boots combine durability and functionality. Plus, the anti-slip self-cleaning outsole gives you confidence on wild terrain. Experience reliable protection and comfort wherever your outdoor activities take you. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.